Good morning, children. Now I am going to take science for you. So this is lesson number 7, air around us. So this is revision. Okay, children. So now I am going to do revisions for you. Lesson number 7, air around us. Okay, children. I think all of you have completed your classwork. So if you have not completed your classwork, please see this video and complete your classwork. So if already you have completed your classwork, please practice in the rough note. Okay, children. So first one is hard words. First one, breathe. B-R-E-A-T-H-E, breathe. Second one, polluted. P-O-L-L-U-T-E-D, polluted. Third one, burning. B-U-R-N-I-N-G, burning. Fourth one, oxygen. O-X-Y-G-E-N, oxygen. Fifth one, nitrogen. N-I-T-R-O-G-E-N, nitrogen. Sixth one, petrol. P-E-T-R-O-L, petrol. Seventh one, factories. F-A-C-T-O-R-I-E-S, factories. Eighth one, balloons. B-A-L-L-O-O-N-S, balloons. Ninth one, power station. P-O-W-E-R-S-T-A-T-I-O-N-S, power stations. Tenth one, balanced. B-A-L-A-N-C-E-D, balanced. Okay, children. So these are the odd words. Now next one, answer the following. Write short notes on composition of air. Answer is, the air in our atmosphere is composed of molecules of different gases. The most common gases are nitrogen 78%, oxygen about 21%, and argon almost 1%. Other molecules are present in the atmosphere as well, but in very small quantities. TH, the AI or air, IN in over our, AT, MOS, PHE, atmosphere, ISE, COMP, OSED, composed, OF of MOLECULES, molecules, OF of DIFFERENT, different, GASES, gases, TH, the MOST, most, COMMON, common, GASES, gases, AR, NITROGEN, nitrogen 78%, OXYGEN, oxygen about, ABOUT about 21%, and ARGON, organ, ALMOST almost 1%. OTHE or other, MOLECULES, molecules, ARER, PRESENT, present, IN in TH, the ATMOSPHERE, atmosphere, AS as WELL, well, BUT, but, IN in VERY, very, SMALL, small, QUANTITIES, quantities. Second one, write short notes on importance of air. Answer, air is the prime cause of life in our planet Earth. Without air, unlike on other planets in our solar system, life is not possible on the Earth. Hence, air is a natural virtue on Earth which sustains life. Your air, IS is TH, the PRIME, prime, CAUSE, cause, OF of, LIFE, life, ON, on, OUR, our, PLANET, planet, EARTH, earth, WITHOUT, without AI or air, UNLIKE, unlike, ON, on, OTH or other, PLANETs, planets, IN in, our, SOLAR, solar, SYSTEM, system, LIFE, life, IS is, NOT, not, POSSIBLE, possible, ON, on, TH, the, EARTH, earth, HENC, hence, AI or air, IS is NATURAL, natural, VIRTUE, virtue, ON, on, EARTH, earth, WHICH, which, SUSTAIN, sustains, LIFE, life. Next, third one, what are the bad gases? Answer, gases from vehicles, such as carbon monoxide, nitrogen oxide, hydrocarbons, particulates, gases from factories, and sulfur dioxide are known as bad gases. GASES gases, FROM from VEHICLES vehicles, SUCH such, AS as CARBON carbon, MONO XIDE monoxide, NITROGE and nitrogen, OXIDES oxides, HYDROCARBONS hydrocarbons, PARTICULATES particulates, GASES gases, FROM from FACTORIES factories, and SULPHU sulfur, DIOXID sulfur dioxide, or KNOW unknown, AS as BAD bad, GASES gases. Next, fourth one, what are the uses of air? Answer, the uses of air are TH the USES uses, OF of AIR air or A1, animals need air to breathe. ANIMALS, animals, NEED need, AI or air, TO2, BREATH, breathe. Second point, B1, PLANTS, plants, NEED need, AI or air, TO2, make, THEI or there, OWN, FOOD, food. C1, BIRDS, birds, USE, use, AIR, air, TO2, FLY, fly. Next, fourth point, HUMANS, human, CAN, GENE, generate, ELECTRICITY, electricity, USING, using, AIR, air. Next point, WEV, INFLAT, inflate, BALLOONS, balloons, and TYRES, tires, USING, using, AIR, air. Okay, children. Next, fifth one, how is air polluted inside home? Answer, pollution inside home is called indoor air pollution. Indoor air pollution is usually very low, but a lot of things can increase it. POLLUTION, pollution, INSIDE, inside, HOMES, homes, ISECALLED, called, INDOO, or indoor, AIR, air, POLLUTION, pollution, INDOO, or indoor, AIR, air, POLLUTION, pollution, ISEs, USUALLY, usually, VE or very, LOW, low, BUT, but, LOT, lot, OF of, THINGS, things, CN, can, INC, REASC, increase, ITE, 8. FRESH, fresh, PAINT, paint, ISES, CAUSE, cause, OF of, INDOO, or indoor, AIR, air, POLLUTION, pollution, and SOSO, ISEs, TH, the BU or NING, burning, OF of, FUELS, fuels, SUCH, such, AS as, COAL, coal, and GAS, gas, HEATERS, heaters, STOVES, stoves, and OVENS, ovens. Next, sixth one, what are the properties of air? Answer, the properties of air are air as weight, air as under pressure, air as temperature, air as volume, air usually contains some water vapor, air usually has some velocity, speed. TH, the PROPERTIES, properties, OF of AIR, 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 HIS has WEIGHT, weight, AIR, air, ISEs, UNDE, or under, PRESSURE, pressure, AIR, air, HIS has TEMPERATURE, temperature, AIR, air, HIS has VOLUME, volume, AIR, air, USUALLY, usually, CONTAINS, contains, SOM, some, WATE or water, VAPO or vapor, AIR air, USUALLY usually, HIS as SYM is some, VELOCITY velocity, SPED speed. Children, now next main answer, fill in the blanks. First one, dash is the most important of the gases in our atmosphere. So in the dash you must write oxygen, OXYGEN, oxygen. Second one, dash are emitted from vehicles like cars and trucks. So in the dash you must write nitrogen oxides, NITROGEN, nitrogen, OXIDES, oxides. Third one, smoking dash can be very dangerous for health. So in the dash you must write cigarettes and tobacco, CIGARETTES, cigarettes, ANTOBACCO, tobacco. Fourth one, nitrogen dash percent, oxygen dash percent are present in our atmosphere. So nitrogen 78% and oxygen 21%. Fifth one, dash is essential for organisms to live. So in the dash you must write air, AIR, air. Now next main write yes or no for the following statements. First one, plants need air to make their own food. So in the bracket you must write yes. Second one, birds do not use the air to fly. So in the bracket you must write no, no. Third one, indoor air pollution is usually very low. So in the bracket you must write yes, yes, yes. Fourth one, sulfur dioxide has color. So in the bracket you must write no, no. Fifth one, a small amount of nitrogen is removed by living organisms. So in the bracket you must write yes, yes. Now next main, put a tick mark, right mark against the correct statement sentence and a cross against the wrong ones. First one, air is nowhere. So in the bracket you must put wrong. Second one, air has no weight. So that is also wrong. Third, moving air is called water. So that is also wrong. Now moving air is called wind. And air is everywhere. And air has weight also. Fourth one, air is necessary for burning. Yes, that is correct. So you put in the bracket right mark. Fifth one, air fills space. Yes, that is also correct. So you put in the bracket right. Okay, children. Now next main, tick the correct words. So they given here two options. First one, moving air is called dash. So in the two options is first one wind and second one smell. So moving air is called wind. So WIND, wind is no. So you put there right mark. Second one, air in the bracket occupies. Another one does not occupy space. So air occupies space. So first one is correct, OCCUPIEAS, occupies. So you put tick mark for that one. Third one, they are given two options, water, air is needed for burning. So with water we can't burn anything. So air is needed for burning. Air is the correct option. So you put tick mark for air. Fourth one, air has dash. So in the bracket they are given weight and color. So weight is a correct option, WEIGHT, weight. So you put tick mark for weight. Next, fifth one, wind helps in running Tonga windmill. So windmill is the correct option, WINDMILL. So you put tick mark for windmill. Okay, children. So these are the revisions of the lesson air around us. Okay, children, air around us. Okay, any doubt, children? I think you could have understood this revision. Once again, I am saying that if you have already completed the classwork, please practice in the rough note. Otherwise, if you have not completed your classwork, see this video and complete your classwork. Okay, children? You must write neatly. Okay, children? Thank you, children.